And we're back with another knife review. I'm C with Atlantic Knife, and today we'll be doing the Roper Knives Deputy EDC. It's an economy line from American Buffalo Knife and Tool. Brought this out because I actually like the look of it. I'm big on that brushed nickel look, especially on economy. I mean, you can't ever have too many knives, and I believe this is $20, $25 knife top. So let's go ahead and do a quick specs. 7.5 overall. It's a flipper. Has a ball bearing pivot system, which you would not expect. HCR 13 MOV. So it uses the same economy steel as like a Kershaw. Frame lock. Stainless steel pocket clip. It has a like a satin finish to it. Little jimping on top. Point blade. Let me go ahead and grab something to cut here so we can show you how that cuts. So you can see that it cuts very easily. This would be a great little backup knife for those people who like that stainless steel look, especially in a frame lock. Cuts very nicely. Let's pull out some cardboard here. This piece is a little large, so let's go ahead and cut it in half and see how it does. We'll start at the tip, work down to, well, it doesn't have much of a choil, but go that way. Not bad. Now we'll go back to front. Not too bad. Could be a little sharper. I think I'd make it a little sharper. However, that's pretty sharp. Just seems like it needs to be a little sharper around the tip. Let's set it down and see. Yeah, it could probably be a little sharper at the tip. Not bad, though. That cuts pretty good. So once again, this is a American Buffalo Knife and Tool. This is the Roper Knives Deputy. So I'm sure they probably just design it and have someone make it for them. Not bad, eh? Like the little jimping on top. Gives you good control for a nice little pocket folder. This would do the deal. Has a little lanyard hole. Alright, so on that note, we're going to stop by saying that if you're watching this on Instagram, make sure you like the post and follow Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, same deal. Hit the bell, subscribe. We're doing a giveaway currently on Facebook and Instagram, so make sure you register for that. I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.